If your Nintendo Switch volume buttons aren't working, no sound when you press them, no volume level showing on the screen, don't worry. This could be a glitch, a setting issue, or even a hardware problem. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you can try to fix it, step by step. Let's get right into it. Fix 1. Restart the console. The first and easiest thing to do is a simple restart. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Once this shows up, select Power Options. Choose the restart from here. After the system reboots, test the volume buttons again. This clears out any small software glitch that could be causing the issue. Solution 2. Try a force restart. If restart didn't work, try a force reboot. Press and hold down the power button of your Switch for 15 seconds. Yes, count it out. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Then release the button. Wait a second, now press the power button once, normally for 3 seconds. After that, try the volume buttons again. This method works fine when the Switch is frozen or not responding properly. Fix 3. Test in recovery mode. Hard reset tests. Use your power button to power off your Switch completely. Now press and hold the volume up, plus volume down, plus power button, all at the same time. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. If this screen comes up, it means your volume buttons still work physically. From here, you can exit out and restart the system normally. But if the recovery mode does not show up, your buttons are definitely broken or faulty. So you will need to take your Switch to a repair shop to fix it. But just because your volume buttons don't work, it doesn't mean you can't still adjust your volume. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just press and hold on the home button of your Nintendo Switch for 2 to 3 seconds, and the quick settings menu will show up. You can easily adjust your volume from here. Just move the slider to your liking to adjust your volume. So guys, that's how you can do it if your Nintendo Switch volume buttons aren't working. Try these steps one by one, and most of the time, you'll get it fixed without needing a repair. If this helps you out, then tap the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.